Hello and welcome to this Cadline video showing you how to use the web mapping tool within DynamicAIM. DynamicAIM provides access to a web map, and clicking the Map View button it maximises the map window. Show Layers panel on the left hand side then lists all our map layers, and by hovering over the map features we reveal bubbles that show us extra information about that feature. In the bottom left hand corner there's a base map picker where we can choose to either show the street map or alternatively aerial imagery. The Show Layers panel on the left hand side provides access to external mapping, for example data from the Office for National Statistics. If we tick a layer on, we can see areas of high and low deprivation mapped across the UK. By clicking on the layer name we can also use an opacity slider to make that layer transparent and see-through. Show Layers panel also provides access to environmental data sets, including flood zones, conservation areas, listed buildings, special protection areas and sites of special scientific interests. Displaying these layers will enable you to understand if there's any environmental constraints affecting your sites, buildings and assets. Let's now clear the map layers and change the base map back to the street map. In your web map you may also have access to some boundary data which can include postcodes or counties or even ward boundaries. By displaying the ward boundaries within the map we can then zoom to the extents of a specific ward. From the Layers panel, if we now choose to display your asset points, we can visually see which assets are inside which boundary. Further to this, from the map tools, we can choose the Area Search tool. We can select an existing ward boundary and then apply that area to then filter our assets within the map to find only the ones within that ward. If we then open up the data table from the right hand side of the map, we can see a list of the assets that fall within the chosen ward. Using the filter option, we can then choose to filter the assets to find only those where the type is land. If we then apply that to the map will only show the assets within a single ward boundary where their type is land. The web map can also provide access to addressable data, such as the location of emergency services. If we display this layer in the map, we can then hover over the features and find out the information and location for police, fire and ambulance stations. In addition, we can also view the location of medical services. Again, by displaying the layer in the map, we can hover over the features to find GP surgeries, hospitals and dental surgeries. DynamicAIM also has a number of search options listed in the top left hand corner. For example, let's choose to search by an address. We could either search by a postcode or type a road name in. Once the search runs, we can simply choose the address from the results panel and the map zooms to that location. If we display the aerial imagery as a base map, we can then choose the Map Links tool from the top toolbar. By left clicking on the map, this activates Google Street View. A new window will open showing you that location within inside Google Street View so you can navigate to your building and assets.